Дальше кор. Это духовка газашьячуя. Навистагяки. Кор. Намек навык. Kimchi оздора.
Rice.
Okay.
Cockroaches. And I'm putting over here in this area. But when later it's a noise, probably something is wet because everything is good. But listen, maybe something is.
Yeah, you can just maybe.
Yeah, you know that it's special.
The roaches, they just broke everything, especially the control boards. Yeah, they looking for the place where warm.
Yeah. Another the mouse is something.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. Тараканы. There's also too many roaches here.
Yeah, that's.
And yeah, they broke the control board.
Yeah.
It's burned. Yeah.
Yeah, I see this one.
They eat everything.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so it's gonna be like a 350 for the fix it.
150.
350.
350.
Yeah, because the control board is cost all $180, and this price including the service call and the labor and 2 times for my coming. That's why it's the minimum price what I can give you.
It's better buy a new one
But it's your choice.
because normally it's 400 something the new one. At least another used.
Just be careful for the roaches and
Yeah.
don't put from the back side again
Yeah,
on this,
I know.
right?
Yeah, that's the one.
Because it can burn again, and the roaches can also broken again the control board.
Correct.
Yeah.
All right, one moment. Let me just remove the membership.
Okay.
All right, I already updated the charges. So the funding is $89 for the service call. Should we
Okay.
send the payment link to the customer?
I sent right now after taking a sign.
All right, then. So anything else?
No, that's it. Thank you so much.
All right, thanks so much for calling, Paul. Let's get back right now.
Okay, bye. I need your sign first.
Oh, okay.
I do. Yeah. Okay. Now you have to press this one. Put your credit card's numbers here.
Oh,
I love her. So cute. All right. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, cutie. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye.
thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Так, короче, сервис кол таракано ҳамаи контролни борда хӯрдан ҷазирботкадан $40 хайгирифтам. Клиент гуфта ки нао мехарам. Okay, no problem. Дальше мерем дигари кор.